What's up, guys? It's your boy Robert here. Hope you guys are having a great day. Well, 4th of July is over, guys. I am totally tired right now, but I'm gonna edit a video for you folks. Just a small little video showing the area we went to yesterday. It is an area where I already flew my drone. I already have a video on, but you know what? I want to show it again because it is a very beautiful area. So yeah, like I said, I am extremely tired. Last night I went over to Photographer's place. Maybe I drank too much whiskey. Actually, I drank a little bit before I went over to his place, which is just a couple blocks away. So but yeah, today also we're heading over to Wailua River, guys. Wailua River. My cousin invited me to come over. I think we'll be doing some paddling, some kayaking possibly, and I believe I'm not sure if one of our friends is bringing his boat. So it's gonna be a swell day. Hopefully I don't get too black. No, look at me, guys. I'm like, well, I don't want to say black, but browner. Sorry about that. But yeah, totally tired. But you know what? I'm just gonna edit this clip for you. Head over there, get more content. Probably fly the drone there. Hopefully, we'll see. See how it goes. All right, guys. Here's that beautiful place I mentioned earlier. Peace out, guys. Oh yeah, I almost forgot. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Hit that subscribe button. I believe it's over there or over there. One of those. I think it's there. You know, we showcase our life here on the beautiful garden island of Kauai. We travel to the other islands as well. And soon we'll be going, once this COVID-19 thing, you know, simmers down and goes away. We'll go to different countries too. So I want to bring you guys along, so don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit that like if you like the video, comment. Love interacting with all of you folks. So yeah, that's about it.